Maira Paibi of Nongpok Sekmai, Sikhong Kuno and Ukong Sang has resolved not to participate in the ensuing Lok Sabha elections until the nearly 11th-month-old crisis gripping the state is solved. Maira Paibi organized a sudden demonstration at their respective areas last night. A protester who took part in the demonstration said, as a result of the conflict, villages bordering Hill district are spending sleepless nights. Most of the people are taking refuge in the relief camps after abandoning their homes and going through untold miseries. She added that extending solidarity to those who are bearing the brunt of crisis, the Maira Paibis decided not to participate in the upcoming elections.
Irang na siyaw na kalakanda election matam le chalak waje prajama oina ekoi sugya yaning de election da ekoi mai on san de hoji mi sigi ba masing sani helabani maitai masa sigi ba se hiba phang daba mi untra mu hena lairi adubu makhoi gi khalaga ekoi election sida vote thadaroi
imphal manung da leiba kanguna di vote se pamangane ba akoi di singhong ya leibani ne yam wajei ba karina hoji chin da haining de hoji lan ji kari dawri ge ba lan ji tanung dai thala leirabra ba hoji akoi potha halabra ba akoi singhong ya leibi yang wajei ba akoi di aduna akoi vote se soya ya janing de akoi di.
Members of Yelhomi Kanballup, in short YKL, from Wabaga, Hianglam, Kairak, Kudum today organized sit-in protest demonstration at Hianglam Ima Kaitel opposing the impending Lok Sabha polls undermining present crisis in the state. Rebecca Nongmaitem, a protester, said YKL acknowledged that election is a significant and inevitable exercise of democracy. However, it is disheartening to see the state more committed to conducting elections rather than resolving prevailing crisis. The people, particularly those affected by the violence, are disappointed by the state's inability to realize a priority. Rebecca said that people will take a firm stand against participating in ensuing elections.
India se ganatantra satpa laibak ni democracy satpa laibak ni bosi yam maru oi akoi khangjai aduma koi taraga su hujik tangdu laita da ba charang na ba situation sida election ni kari ne na chinjala aga rang se amarom da pugina ba hotna rak man ba thawong se akoi yam ya janing de akoi vote pam de athuba matam da santi hanjalak pa akoi pami rivi kem da hujik lai se akoi nungai ba punsi ko hing na te athuba matam da akoi biyum kai da hanjan ba phangan biyo adu na traga ya akoi vote da ba se akoi pam jate adu na yam tu na India government amadi Manipur government na akoi biyum kai da hanjal na ba thawong kaya sinpiraga akoi bu tangdu laita na mukang lai ba phangan biyo ai ba se haijari.